Alright, well, I gotta wait for, I have to get paint for the finish painting that, as well as I still gotta do a lot of caulking. But the kids are in the pool, so instead of being all the way over there, I'm gonna hang out over here. And as you guys know, I plan on building a pergola over here on this side of the pool, the patio. But this grill's in the way, because on the other side of the grill is the fire pit I built. So this actually is going to get moved over there. That old grill is getting broken down and recycled. I'm putting it over there. Was going to do a cement pad real quick, but I don't feel like pouring bags of cement. Also, I don't know if I want to permanently leave it over there, so I didn't want to put a cement pad either. So instead what I'm going to do is I do have leftover pressure treated 2x4s, which I'm going to frame out, then get some sand and some gravel, and I'm actually just going to do like a temporary, not a temporary, but more of a breakdownable pad instead, and I'll figure everything else as I go, because I do got a bunch of wood left over and I want to use them. And I think it'll also incorporate the gravel area that we have here by bringing it over there a little bit, because we also have the gravel around the pool. And then, as you guys will see in another video, I'm actually trenching out around all the flower beds because it's wood, and I'm doing it like this so it's easier to maintain, and that's in another video. But until then, let's go. Okay, so this is where we are now. I have a general idea. It's 8 feet across. It's about 40 inches out. I now have to trench this down, so because this is a slope, so I could bring this in a little bit, raise that up a little bit, and we should be good. I'm also going to put boards in the back to kind of protect the fence. But yeah, let's start trenching and digging. Alright, here's the current status. I actually used bricks that I had left over from when I did the fireplace, as well as the brick columns in front of the house. I got a whole stack of them. And these are bricks that I've used like 3 or 4 times already, cleaned them off and reused them for other things when I need them for. So I've gotten to a point where I don't need them anymore. So right now they're going to be good for a base. So I've been stacking them up underneath. Then I went ahead and put some landscaping tarp down. I'm also sprayed some grass kill to kill the grass that's underneath there, and we're good. Now I need to get some sand and some gravel. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. It's leveled out, gravel's in. This actually was pretty easy to get done. Only thing, the hard part is loading the gravel from the front of the house to the back of the house. That was a little bit of pain, but it wasn't too bad. Like I said, I use a lot of bricks in order to kind of fill in the base. It all depends on how much you guys have like to fill up. Now if you guys have a level ground, you're just using 2x4s to frame it in, that'll probably make life a little easier for you guys. But pretty much we're good. It's nice and solid. I'm gonna paint it to match the fence, the wood to match the fence, to also protect it in the bare deck paint. And then I'll drag the grill over here. I'm trying to consider if I'm going to do some sort of like roof awning. Sherelle says no, but I said I'll see how it goes. But that's 8 foot by about 40 inches. So looking good. All right, and this is what it ideally will look like. I got it up there. I still got to paint, but at least you guys get a chance to see what it looks like. I'll probably wait for a couple more days before I actually paint it. I just got this wood about a couple weeks ago, so I'll keep it out here for maybe another month before I actually stain it.